PM Modi takes stock of COVID-19 vaccine. Research and development of vaccines to prevent COVID-19 is fast progressing across the globe. In India too, things are in its last lap and a vaccine is expected any time from now. The Prime Minister has made it personally to 3 research labs to take stock of the progress. The visit by Narendra Modi to these institutions are considered important as India has entered the last phase of its efforts to invent a vaccine against coronavirus. The PM held discussions with scientists to get a first-hand perspective of progress and promises on the vaccines in the pipeline. The Prime Minister held detailed interactions with the who is who of these institutions to get a direct feeler on challenges ahead for a successful invention of the vaccine. This will help him to sketch out a roadmap ahead for India in combating the pandemic. He visited the Zydus Biotech Park in Gujarat, Bharat Biotech in Hyderabad and Serum Institute of India in Pune. The Prime Minister started his COVID-19 exclusive day by making it first to the Zydus Cadillas plant in Ahmedabad. Zydus Cadillas vaccine Zycov-D has completed its first phase of clinical trials and has entered its second phase since August. Around noon he landed at Hyderabad and proceeded to Bharat Biotech. A step further in its research progress, Bharat Biotech has reached the third phase of clinical trials of their vaccine, Covaxin. After holding discussions with all stakeholders at the institute, Narendra Modi flew to Pune by evening. There he visited the Serum Institute of India SSI, the third and last destination of the Saturday special COVID-19 vaccine tour. He reviewed the status of the vaccine developed by the institute by interacting with the who is who of the center. SSI is getting their vaccine manufactured by the Jenner Institute of Oxford University in collaboration with British-Swedish pharma company AstraZeneca. The institute has informed the Prime Minister that they had entered the final phase of clinical trials. Claiming 90% effectiveness, the institute conveyed the commitment that the vaccine will be available for administration by this year end. The Prime Minister had early this week urged all the state governments to set up committees and task forces to ensure smooth distribution of the COVID-19 vaccines. The Prime Minister has said, while the time of the vaccine depends on scientists, the pricing depends on many factors. The moment the vaccines pass all the scientific parameters, they will be distributed across the country. The vaccines would be in place any moment, but we need to keep abiding all precautionary measures to contain spread of the virus, Narendra Modi had urged. Let's keep our fingers crossed for the vaccines, even as we continue with social distancing, face masking and hand washing.
Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.